Today I will teach you how to earn your more crypto on crypto tab and how to mine 177 US dollar per month. Actually, the most of the tricks is commonly used everyone is the paying or premium. Don't try to go the paying premium on your crypto tab. Just focus on your reference. Actually, as a 6 members got to the referral, this is 6 members. If you got the referral per month, $6. If you get the 100 members on your referral, you can earn 40 dollar per month. This is if you increase your referral, you can earn more money at the more mining speed, and you have a. I will teach you the referral earning. This is your referral earnings. The 10 members, if you have referred $6 per month, and the $100 as $40 and $200 and $1,200 and $8,000, etc. etc. This is a great opportunity to buy. You can earn more profit. This crypto tab. Then this is I earn my referrals. You can get the more profit. If you join my referral link, you can get more profit because we are in mine is mutually and we are mine in mutually perpendicular the late like act like a mining pool. This is I earn my 0.00171780 BTC for per month. This is a great opportunity to buy. You can earn the more referral. You can get the thousands of dollars. You can change your lifestyle. Everything is possible. Thank you for. I will teach you how to earn the more crypto tablet. This join my description link. You can join these at you miners, etc. etc. Then thank you for everything and join my mining pool. Actually, this is my night time because the IQ minus is low. If you join my morning, I have a thousands of and 2,000s of IQ minus. I got the more profit of crypto tab. This is a grow natural grow of crypto tab benefits on your earnings on the side. Then join my referral link. I will teach you more tips on crypto tab. This is if you get the crypto tab, this natural growth of crypto tab mining. Please on my description link, I will teach you how to earn more earnings on crypto tab and etc. The more cloud mining, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doggy. I will teach you. Next topic is then come my description link description. I will provide the my mining pool crypto tab mining pool description link. Join my description link and download the crypto tab on Play Store. Don't directly download your Play Store on the crypto tab because you can join the mine active miners and you can join the mining pool. Just join my referral link. We can mine the this 0.00171780 BTC per month. Thank you.